Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is G Sensei. Hello, good morning. It's very bright today. Ano, Ana? Kike here. Kike. Tottenham shirt pa ako kasi naglaro yung... Ito yung Tottenham shirt na binili ni Ruth sa Vietnam. Ito yung favorite football team ko since 2018. Naging mahilig ako sa football nung nasa Vietnam ako. Ana, pupo ka? She's not moving anymore. She doesn't want to move. I think she's pooping. Ana, pupo? Pupo ka? Oh, napupo. Napupo ikaw. Pupo. Sa mga mag-12 naman siguro. So, magluto ko paniod to. Magluto tag sardinas. Nakapalit ko sa Asian store. Nakabili ako ng sardinas sa Asian store because pag nagluluto ako nito with egg, ayoko na masyadong masabaw kasi parang sa amin, lata yung masyadong... Uy, nagmata na ko hindi love. You wanna eat rice, Inday? Yeah, you wanna eat rice? Yeah? Yeah? Ay! So, yeah. Let's eat, guys. That is my sardinas. Tingnan nyo naman yan, guys. Oh, ang sarap-sarap naman yan. Oh, ikalami naman yung extra sabaw, nilagay ko dyan. Yeah. Kakain na kami ng anak ko.
Yeah, but this is a useless present because it belongs to the other present, but you can't
Then I
unbox
will
it.
not open it.
Yeah, you can open it.
Nee, then I have an idea. The other one is...
You don't have an idea, you know exactly what it is.
Hi, this is Anna. Met Mama. With Mama. And Papa.
Papa.
We just got home from the Centrum.
And the supermarket.
And we went to the Centrum and the supermarket. But yeah, there's hard lockdown here. However, supermarkets and shops selling essential goods are open, like Kruidvat or Atos. There's another box coming. He said this is like a big clue to the other present he
A
has.
really big clue.
Watch out, Mom. Anna
You
is
need
here.
something to open.
Yeah, but Anna's here with me.
Yeah, I don't use a banana.
It's very light.
Don't expect too much from
Okay.
Lisa.
Anna, take. Boom.
Yeah.
I know what it is.
What then?
Microphone. Oh, this is for vlogging.
High five.
Thank you, pa.
High five, mama. Yeah?
Love you, Mom.
Love you.
Open open sesame. Oh, this is for vlogging. For my vlogging. For my vlogging. Nakoy microphone. Anak, yay! So this one, it looks like this one. You won't see, I don't expect too much, but I think I already have an idea what it is.
What is it then?
I won't tell you. But I already have an idea. Because there's a microphone.
Yeah.
Is this for
But
karaoke?
like I said, don't expect too much of the next one.
Ano ko i-close sa iyang next nga gift. Ilang to ni i-deliver karon tanan. However, palpak. So, naawahiyang usa. Mandak pa ko, no? Monday pa daw. So, pangitaan, yapon ni nakuugan ang kuano. Pero, if I record using a camera, then this is okay. But if I use my phone, then I can't really use this one. I need something like murag adapter ba. This is for the microphone. It's our first Christmas together as a family, so in a way, kuan siya, special siya para nako. So, yeah. Para na mo di. So, what na mag-vlogger na gini mong mama ani lang. Bitaw, kani akong vlog no, kuan ra man taon ni lingaw-lingaw ra man ni. When we were still in Vietnam, Ruth would always say na, why don't you start vlogging? Kay ganahan man ko og kanang ganahan daw ko og picture. I like taking pictures of landscapes. Kana ko picture. Di ko maayo no picture pero wala hilig lang ko. Tanaw sa ko mga tutorial like that. But then he would say na kuan ko no, I like taking pictures or videos. So why not vlog? But maulaw mo ko even until now that I've started recording.
Spoiled girl!
No!
Spoiled Cebuano!
No, mo siya na-ipin may ingon. Spoiled ko na ko kay sigian kong hatag o bisag unsa si ama magpapa.
You hungry, one?
Yeah. We can have the broth. Danke, papa.
Mama.
Danke wel, papa.
Can I get some brood for Anna too?
Yeah. Ana kay. Nga anta eh. Lamian ko ani, lamian mi aning croissant sa Yumbo. Tag upat ka buok for 1 euro dong no. Beer for 1 euro. Kuan di ay ang thank you sa Dutch is bedankt, dankjewel or dankjewel.
Yeah. Dankjewel is more like normal and dank u wel is more like
Formal.
yeah.
Yeah. Bedankt. I thought bedankt is formal too.
Ja, bedankt or dankjewel. And dank u wel is like u is more like you say it like in a polite way.
U.
Ja.
Dankjewel. Dank u. Lang dank
Want
u.
some of the drink?
Yeah, that's good. Lo, change the diaper pa nga. Mag-chill rami ni Ana kay iyang papa magduwa og FIFA.
Spoiler one.
Support ko. I can do it myself if I don't know. Spoiled ko na. Mama lang, di na balang. Thank you, Boang. Thank you, Bel. With whipped cream. I didn't say with whipped cream, Boang, but thank you, Bel.
Yeah, that's standard one.
Nee.
Yeah, hot chocolate milk.
For Dutch people, miskin.
Yeah. What do you expect from your present?
I won't say, but I already have an idea.
Shall I show it to you?
No.
Okay.
Ayong buntag. Goedemorgen. Hello, maayong buntag is already Sunday. So, manglakaw mi no padong mi og mangadto mi og Den Bosch or Massport. So, ready na ni among palangging no. Ready na ni. So, si Rod nagkuha na pagikuha. So, it's Sunday morning. By the way, ang akong mga tanom, gamay ra akong tanom no. Kani pinalit ni namo sa Yumbo. Kalimot ko nga anang tanom. And then kani siya, if you remember sa akong vlog sa kuani gikan sa intra-town niya, darang pair. And then gahapon gitagaan ko, pa na ko gi-remove ang kuano, ang kanang plastic. Tagaan ko sa akong parents-in-law. Dili sila gabi. So, muna hinatag nila. So, buhi sila! Anyway, flowers or tanom no kaning kuan. Namatay na, nalaya na noon gani siya. Oh. Pero humot kayo ni. This smells good. Kalit og blue ang panganod ay. Nice kayo. So, mga to nami, magikan nami taud-taud nanawag pa si Rod sayang amigo.
It's a pretty big one.
Yeah. Mooi. It's mooi. Many people are there.
Yeah, just to sit and relax.
Big and nice. You know, so. Si Ana kay tulog. Natulog among inday. We'll go around the lake. You can go closer to the water, mo. To the water.
Yeah. bed, half a place.
When we get old, Papa, we can walk a lot. Like
You're
that.
already old, bro.
Nee, you're older than me. Look, you're 5 years older than me. Oh, we're gonna feed the ducks.
Yeah. Can do that.
Nice, dako kayo siya nga lake, no? Adong na siya. Dito. Niya sa among. Basta hangin kayo.
Ami kayo.
Hangin. Hangin kayo kay tugnaw. Nice
So-
kayo. Okay. Tugnaw. Nice. I brought syrup.
She already woke up.
Yeah? You need your sunscreen. It's really hot, oh?
I do a jacket on so I won't get burned.
Yeah, you have sunburn now.
Yeah.
Feeler kayo. Okay, summer daw. So, manguli na mino. Hapit na mamamatay akong battery. Battery.
How many percent?
Human. Sa mong lakaw-lakaw. Bye-bye, Ana. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Alimal. Dui, Alimal. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you on the next vlog. Babush, mush, mush.
Babush.
Babush.